Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today I have some news to tell you. Maybe for some it'll be sad news or good news. I'll be switching now from iOS to Android. So, uh, what made me come to this decision to switch from iOS to Android? Well, first of all, iOS 9 wasn't really that good for me. The nearby features, all that, um, the proactive thing with Siri works great and everything, but I just didn't feel like it was for me. Like I felt like Apple was playing catch up to Android with those features. Um, so that's why I decided to switch to Android. Sure, I might regret it because I'm a big app geek. Like I want to have like the latest new apps and everything. But uh, you just have to go where you just have to choose the device or the operating system that feels right to me. And Android right now feels uh, much more better, and it feels so much more better with the material design, which is so much more superior than iOS 9 or the iOS design, because the iOS design hasn't really changed except for the how do you call it, the apparel design of it. Like the icons are still the same and everything, but it's just iOS 9 for me. It just didn't feel right. But I did enjoy it. And this doesn't mean that I'm leaving iOS. It just means that right now iOS 9 is not for me and Android M is. But if iOS 10, if that's the future name of it, in the future is better and everything, then I might switch back to iOS and you'll see much more iPhone videos. But right now, you'll be seeing a little bit more Android apps and Android videos because, well, this is going to be my full-time phone and device I'm going to be using. Uh, so those are some of the reasons why I'm switching to Android now, and yeah, and I probably might regret it. Probably, you never know. But yeah, so right now, of course, and I started out with Android, and I switched to iOS to try out iOS, and now I'm back with Android. So maybe next year I might be back with iOS if iOS 10 is better, and yeah, so so I'm switching to the dark side with Android, and yeah, so I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.